Hi, I'm Jamie from Write On with Jamie, and today we're going to discuss gerunds in writing. But first, we need to determine what gerunds are and how they can be used to enhance your writing. Regardless of the subject you're writing about or the audience you're writing for, when you write your essay, research paper, narrative, etc., you need to use words that vividly describe the ideas you are trying to express. The gerund is a common part of speech that most of us use every day, whether we know it or not. Basically, used appropriately, gerunds add diversity to your sentences and reduce repetition in sentence structure. Even though gerunds can seem a bit complex at first glance, they are like any other part of speech. Just be careful to avoid overkill in gerund use. If used appropriately, they will make your writing more fluid and lyrical. Now you might be asking yourself, Jamie, how can I not only add gerunds to my writing, but also make sure I'm using them correctly? I am so glad that you asked. Today, we are going to cover how to identify and use gerunds. So let's begin. It has been said that the pen is the tongue of the mind, which is right. If we use our mouth to speak and express our thoughts, then it makes sense that we would use a pen to write and express those same thoughts on paper. Because word choice is critical to good writing, using gerunds demonstrates your command of this trait. They can also help your paper achieve a more fluid feel than just the simple SVO order sentence, subject, verb, object. This increases sentence fluency. To this end, it is important to understand what a gerund is, how it is formed, and how to effectively use them in your writing. What is a gerund? It's a form of a verb, action word. It ends in ing and it acts like a noun and will be a subject, direct object, predicate noun, or object of a preposition in a sentence. Let's take a look at these examples of gerunds and how they are used in a sentence. Used as the subject of a sentence. Studying keeps the students busy. The subject is studying, which is formed by taking the active verb study and adding ing. Because it is being used as a noun as the subject of the sentence, it is a gerund. Used as a direct object in a sentence. Scott enjoys reading. The direct object is reading, which is formed by taking the active verb read and adding ing. Because it is being used as a noun as the direct object of the sentence, it is a gerund. Used as a predicate noun in a sentence. His favorite sport is running. The predicate noun is running, which is formed by taking the active verb run and adding ing. Because it is being used as a noun as the predicate noun in the sentence, it is a gerund. Used as the object of a preposition in a sentence. Beth never gets tired of dancing. The object is dancing, which is formed by taking the active verb dance and adding ing. Because it is being used as a noun as the object of the preposition, it is a gerund. Notice how the different gerunds in the sentences are used in various ways. If you have the worksheet for this lesson, you can pause the video here and answer questions 1 through 9. Review the previous section of the video to help you determine the correct answers. I hope you enjoyed this introduction to gerunds in writing. If you would like the entire lesson, click on the links in the description. I have both a middle school and a high school version. The lesson comes complete with both a digital component ready to be used in any learning management system for independent student instruction and a classroom-ready component with PowerPoint and PDFs. Detailed lesson plans and the rest of this entertaining instructional video complete the lesson. This resource is also part of a sentence fluency and grammar bundle that includes the following lessons: adverbs, comma splices, commas in a list, complex sentences as transitions, complex sentences, compound sentences, sentence fragments and run-on sentences, gerunds, prepositions and prepositional phrases, and transition words. Thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Right on!